What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So, magre-react tayo ngayon kay Angelica Sam. So, si Angelica Sam po yung sumulat ng pantropiko na kanta na nag-hit talaga, na naging daan or naging way na mabigyan talaga ng pansin at break ang BINI. Ito yung pantropiko, and she performed it actually sa Cozy Cove. So, I'm very interested paano na to laruin or how she would give a flavor of hers, no? Na different or quite unique from the BINI produced na song. So, yeah. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And don't forget to subscribe if bago kayo dito sa aking YouTube. And you can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? So, let's go!
So, this is Pantropico. Sana po magustuhan ninyo. And if you know the song, please do join me. Dito,
Hey.
Charat.
I really love live bands.
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa di nagalang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan para bang tinagkataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana? Ang ikaw ay sa mga tala, mga pintig ng puso'y nakalaang para sa'yo. Following your footprints innocent.
May partida, siya lang mag-isa.
Got a better grip of your hands. I can feel holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? O saksi ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat naman sumasaya. Magmula na makita ka, napawala ng pangangamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islong pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islong pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Sa islong pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko,
Pero kanya niyo yung ano,
Sa islong
choreography, no?
on this tropical island, sitting on a white sand, cause I'm in love with you, cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy.
It's just amazing na siya lang mag-isa. Because yung phrasing ng kantang to, it's quite different, no? It's almost, you know, you're rapping. You're singing at the same time rapping. Ganyan yung flow ng kanta. And kailangan mo talaga siyang kantahin on tempo. So, although may mga parts doon na parang nauuna siya. I don't know if she's nervous or not. Pero the tone quality, ando naman, no? I love her tone quality. And yung banda, man, kudos to the band. Very controlled, no? Nasa pocket talaga sila. So, obviously, kapag ka medyo kinabahan ka tas nauuna ka, magiging obvious talaga yun, no? Kasi yung banda talagang, haliging-haligi sila sa tempo. So, and hindi nag-overplay.
You could be my baby, I could be your lady. Oh, oh, di na mawatan ng kilig na nabigay diyan. Kasi para bang di na mapigilan. Kung magkabog, uminto, gumugulong puso ko sa'yo. Following your footprints innocent, just walking with you on a silent. Got a better grip of your hands. I can feel holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat naman sumasaya. Magmula na makita ka, wawala ng pangangamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islong pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islong pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Sa islong pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Sa islong pantropiko. Sa islong pantropiko.
Galing ng banda, man. Walang nag-overplay.
Sa islong pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh, 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 oh.
May pagka-Shakira yung boses niya, no? Yung nasally na parang
Sa islong
airy.
pantropiko.
Hey!
Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat. Very grateful for this opportunity po.
Nice,
Thank you po.
nice. Okay. I love her tone. Very nasally na parang airy, yung heady minsan, yung tone quality. Mala Shakira. And also, pansin ko din yung vibrato niya. I don't know if it's intentional na medyo very evident or obvious yung vibrato niya. I think it just comes natural para sa akin na she did a great job. And kudos to the band. Great job. Okay, walang nag-overplay. Ito yung mga banda na gustong-gusto ko. Nothing fancy, no overplaying. Talagang on pocket. Yung drummer, yung gitarista, yung bahista. And it was also very lively pakinggan. Although hindi naman malayo sa original yung ginawa ng banda, but iba talaga din yung tunog ng live band. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.